common tech problems, and how to fix them fast. Phone slow, Wi-Fi not working, apps crashing. If your tech is acting up, don't panic. Most common tech problems have quick fixes. In this video, we'll walk you through the most common tech issues people face and exactly how to fix them step by step. Quick checks for common tech issues. Before we dive in, try these first quick checks first. They fix a surprising number of problems. Restart your device. Check your internet connection. Close unused apps. Make sure your software is up to date. If things are working now, great. If not, let's go deeper. Troubleshooting common tech issues. Slow device. If your phone or computer feels slow, close background apps. Restart your device. Check your storage. If it's full, performance drops. Real-world example. If your phone freezes when switching apps, it's often because too many are running at once. Internet not working. If the internet is not working and nothing is loading on your device, restart your router. Turn Wi-Fi off and back on. Move closer to the router. Example: if videos won't load, but your signal looks fine, it could be your router, not your phone. Apps keep crashing. If apps keep closing, update the app. Force close and reopen it. Restart your device. If that doesn't work, delete and reinstall the problem app. Battery draining fast. If your battery dies quickly, lower screen brightness. Close background apps. Check battery usage in settings. Some apps run in the background and drain power without you noticing. Device overheating. If your device gets hot, stop heavy apps like games or video editing. Remove the case temporarily. Let it cool down. Overheating can slow your device and damage the battery over time. Security concerns. If something feels off, run a security scan, change important passwords, enable two-factor authentication. If you clicked a suspicious link, act quickly. Storage full. If you're out of space, delete unused apps, remove old photos or videos, clear cache files. Low storage leads to slower performance. Quick recap. When troubleshooting common tech issues, remember to restart your device, check your internet, update apps and software, free up storage, watch for overheating. Many tech issues stem from glitches, low storage, and lack of updates. Common mistake. Most people jump straight to worst-case scenarios when their devices experience one or more of the most common tech issues. For example, they think their device is broken. But usually, it's something simple, such as too many apps, weak connection, outdated software. It's normal to panic. However, troubleshooting tech requires a calm approach and steady mindset, such as the SimpleTech Help Troubleshooting Mindset. You can also check out the full step-by-step guide linked below for more detailed fixes. And if this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple tech help. SimpleTech Help. Tech made simple.